A nice prayer has started. For those who missed the prayer, it's beautiful. It's coming from that closed mosque right here.
Can we put this in your bag somewhere like?
Victoria says, looks so warm. It's not too warm. It's sunny, few clouds, but maybe it's plus 15 only, so it's not super warm.
That house they are renovating. Remember someone bought it?
Oh, the one that I wanted to buy.
Yeah.
It was like, I was gonna make a crew cafe for cruise ship crew, you know?
They removed the roof.
So they're gonna make a taller building maybe. Here are workers also working on something. There's like so much changes and so much work being done. Remember this Liman hotel area? So now there's just like 2 shops. And they have cleaned up the garden as well. Where's the taxi stop?
Oh, they're gonna bring me. Oh, look at this guy. Extra fast.
Wow, there's no more taxi stop.
No, they put this new one.
Ah, the new style which says taxi on it.
You know, there's new design.
Yeah, the beautiful one.
Yeah.
Look, even the taxi stops are being renovated.
Everything changing.
Everything's changing, right. Yeah, it's quite a bit of traffic there. And here is where they are building something. We don't know what's gonna come. Does it say on that sign what's gonna be there? No, it doesn't.
No.
Can you ask the guys if we know what's coming?
Oraya ne oluyor abi? Restaurant mı? Restaurant değil mi? Yes, restaurant.
Ah, the restaurant is coming. All right.
Most likely like fish restaurant or steak.
Okay, so while we are here, I'm gonna shop a little bit. You know. Kuşadası magnets. And then little wallets. If you have a girl, like a 5-year-old girl, you can always buy this for 5 lira here for €1. And then she can use it as a purse or put her savings in it. That's what we do. Our daughter has her savings in this little Kuşadası.
Magnets are 5 lira.
5 lira Kuşadası.
Yes, like 60 cents.
That's nice. And here is a very good present for men to bring home. It's called tespih.
Tespih.
This is just something to twist.
What was that in English they were saying? You know that in English.
Can you show how to use? In English,
I don't want to touch them. He has to sanitize after I touch.
That's right. The beads. So you know the men there.
Beads, yes.
They're circling it in their hands. I don't know how to explain this. But yeah. Kolay gelsin. And this is the shoe shiner. Merhaba.
I like that building, baby.
He's working very nicely. You like that building?
Such a nice building.
Yaşar says, I miss it too much, Kuşadası.
Yes, we know that when you're far away,
Yeah.
you miss it.
When you're far away, you really miss it, that's true. And this is a good... So here now, the government has removed the government tea shop and they're just making it a smaller scale. Basically, they will be rebuilding it.
Yeah.
So
I
as
think
you
it's
see...
gonna come something like barista bus. Oh, Molly Molly's is open, Irish bar.
Molly Malone's.
How do you read? Molly Malone's.
Malone's. I don't know exactly. Don't rely on my accent. because I don't know for sure, you know.
This house satılık over there for sale. They will never get cut her sea view. They will always have sea view. This
Yeah.
building.
Yeah, that's true. They will always have sea view,
Yeah.
but they're blocking it with the hanging clothes.
No, this is for temporary. But you know.
Very nice. Valerie says flights been cancelled from Ireland already. Oh. So whoever is watching, what's your situation with the flights?
You can go anywhere. I think.
So from Ireland they say they're cancelled.
Kayhan Bay. Here is the hotel Kayhan Bay.
Kayhan Bay. This is where a lot of ship crew stays, cruise ship crew. When they're joining a ship, they put them in this hotel. They have some kind of agreement, or at least that's the old news that we knew. Ships have not come for a while, you know, and we really miss them here. They make our port so much more beautiful, you know, with the cruise ships docked and everything. So it's really nice. And here is Pilot, a nice beer pub that has very affordable beer and a lot of attendees, a lot of people enjoying that. So as you see, the government tea shop is not there now, so they don't even have tables right now. They're probably gonna bring a barista bus or something like that, something small scale. So right now it's just empty. So it's fishermen enjoying. Normally this area is not allowed to fish, you know, because when the tables are out.
But the guys are ready for rebuild again. These cars here, these 3 cars for rebuilding that, whatever they're gonna do now.
Yeah, that's cool.
This is belediye, you see?
Belinda says, please keep doing the Turkish language lessons. Oh, that's a good idea. Sweetheart, they're saying we should continue doing the Turkish language lessons. You know, the ones where you were teaching
Yeah.
some words in Turkish.
Okay.
We can do that.
Right now.
Yeah, you can teach one word.
Okay.
So, for example,
Hadi, hadi,
huh?
hadi.
Hadi, what's a
You will
hadi?
hear that. You will hear that word a lot. Hadi, like a, let's go, rush. You know, make it fast.
Hadi, hadi, let's go. Hadi,
Yeah.
hadi. Yeah. Yeah. This hadi hadi is also Arabic, isn't it?
Like take it fast or whatever. They will say to you. They will try to give you something. They will say hadi, hadi. Let's do it. No patience.
You know, when I was watching some movie, I think it was The Mummy or something like that. There were these Arabic ninjas or something, and they would just say, Allah, hadi, hadi, you know, something
Yeah.
like that. It was very.
This hadi in Balkans also they use Balkan countries. They know that word.
So this place has changed so many times I cannot even count.
Now it's Joker Pub.
Used to be Victoria restaurant, and then something else, and then something else, and now it's a new
I think that one gonna work.
Joker pub. And this Liman restaurant has been there forever.
Yeah, they're oldest here.
Yeah. Here's a little grocery
You know,
shop.
I dream to own that buildings here.
These ones, they're apartments.
Yeah,
So you would break down and build the whole thing.
yeah. Make like a hotel, you know.
Yeah, but this hotel would have no parking and no beach.
Yeah, that sucks. They're always asking for parking.
Yeah. This is a hotel where my mom stayed when she came.
Efe Hotel.
Efe Hotel.
Very convenient.
Because she really enjoyed
For
the.
elder people, that hotel good, yeah? You just walk everywhere.
It's like right next to the bazaar, you know, that's what my mother loves.
They have elevator.
There's a little beach at the Pirjan Island entrance. And also we had this beautiful view of the cruise ships that would dock right here. So just outside your window you would always see a new cruise ship coming every day, and that was like a very, very nice place for her because she really enjoys the view of the ships. So what Which stairs are we gonna take? Wow, look at this wall with all the...
Next to over there.
Wow. Like it's an empty parking lot. I would just build here something definitely. Look how this house is built, like on the natural rock, and this is where the building begins. I don't know how stable is that. It's like very unique. Alright, so we are going to the stairs, yeah?
Oh, look at the jet boat.
Where? Ah, here.
Samos Island boats are waiting, you see, over there.
You think they started going?
Not yet.
I wish to go.
Yeah. Not the weather like that, a little bit better weather.
So this hotel rents downstairs. They actually rent for restaurants, and it's a nice place to sit and enjoy.
Yes.
This restaurant has beautiful sea view, so it's really comfortable and nice.
It's a little bit cold today, yeah?
Yeah, the wind is cold on the face. I would say it's like plus 12, 13, I don't know, 15 in the sunshine.